To connect your Samsung Galaxy S26 series with your PC for the file transfer, first of all, you will need to make sure that your phone is unlocked throughout this entire process. After that, we'll need to grab the cable that allows you to connect it with both your PC and the phone. And then you can plug in that other end to your PC and this end to your phone. When both of the devices are connected, you will need to swipe down from the top left corner of the screen and click on USB for charging phone. In case that you don't see this pop up, try to do it again and plug in the cable again to your phone, and then it should work fine. If it doesn't work still, that might mean that your cable doesn't support the file transfer and you won't be able to do it. From here, select transferring files with Android or Android Auto, and now we can go to my PC, we can open my files, and then we can find the phone right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.